Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the what is type of budget. The type of budget are divided into three parts, that is balanced budget, surplus budget and deficit budget. So what is balanced budget? Government budget is said to be a balance in which the government estimate receipt are equal to the government estimate expenditure. मीन्स जो गवर्नमेंट की रिसिप्ट है रेवेन्यू है वो उसके एक्सपेंडिचर के इक्वल हो. द मेरिट ऑफ बैलेंस बजट इज टू इंश्योर द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी, अवॉइड द वेस्टफुल एक्सपेंडिचर. Demerits of balanced budget. And what about the surplus budget? दिस इज़ अ बजट इन विच गवर्नमेंट एस्टिमेट रिसिप्ट आर ग्रेटर दैन द गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर. जो गवर्नमेंट के रिसिप्ट है वो गवर्नमेंट के एक्सपेंडिचर से एक्सेस हो. And the merit of surplus budget is desired during inflationary gap in the country. It helps in corrections of the inflationary gap by lowering the level of aggregate demand in the country. And demerit, it is not desired during the period of deflation. डिफ्लेशन के पीरियड में ये डिज़ायर नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट, डिफिट्स बजट. दिस इज़ अ बजट इन विच एस्टिमेट गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर ग्रेटर दैन गवर्नमेंट रिसिप्ट. मतलब ये ऐसे एस्टिमेट गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर ग्रेटर दैन गवर्नमेंट रिसिप्ट से ज़्यादा हो. एंड जहाँ पर एक्सपेंडिचर जो भी हैं गवर्नमेंट के वो रिसिप्ट से ज़्यादा है. एंड इट एक्सेलरेट द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. It enabled to undertake the welfare of program of the people. It is desired during the period of deflations. Next, it encourages the wasteful and unnecessary expenditure by the government. It may lead to the financial and political instability. It required desired during the period of inflations. And next, budget deficits. It refers to situation when budget expenditure of the government are greater than the budget receipt. So there are three types. First is revenue deficits. Revenue deficit is it is excess of government of total revenue expenditure over the total receipt during the fiscal year. And it implications, the revenue deficits include only those transactions that affect the current income expenditure of the government. Revenue deficits implies that the government is dissaving using up the saving of the other sector of the economy to finance the part of the consumption expenditure, or indicate the government to spending more than the current income. Revenue deficit implies that the government budget has to finance it from the capital receipt. Okay. Next, the measure to reduce the revenue deficits is to curtail the expenditure. For reducing the revenue deficit, government should reduce its expenditure, avoid unnecessary wasteful expenditure, and raise more tax. Government should raise more tax. Next, fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit excess of total expenditure over total receipt, excluding borrowing during the given fiscal years. In other words, fiscal deficit is a difference between the government total expenditure and it is a total receipt excluding borrowing. And it can be occur by the fiscal present more comprehensive view of budgetary tools explaining understanding the budgetary development in India. And non-debt creating receipts, these those receipts which do not give the rise to the debt. Fiscal deficit is equal to borrowing, means the fiscal will have to finance through the borrowing. Thus, it indicates total borrowing requirement of the government from all sources. Can there be a fiscal deficit in the government budget without a revenue deficit? Yes, it is possible in the following situation: when revenue budget is balanced and capital budget show a deficit. When there is a surplus in the revenue budget but deficit is a capital budget is greater than the surplus. And significance of fiscal deficits is the debt trap situation, means greater fiscal deficit implies greater borrowing. This increases the future liabilities of the government in the form of payment of interest and repayment of loan. Payment of interest increase the revenue of expenditures. This may increase the revenue deficits. This may lead to more borrowing and more interest payment. Therefore, government required to borrow more to pay interest and repay the old loans. It known as debt trap. Thank you.